When the gate drops, only machines built to win will do. Enter the 2026 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition, a no-compromise motocross weapon crafted to bridge the divide between standard production and full factory spec. With a focus on every split second, every berm, and every launch hole shot, this model comes loaded with premium upgrades direct from the racetrack. Performance VE powertrain. At its heart lies a 449.9 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, four-stroke engine born of KTM's racing pedigree. Engineered for lightweight and agility, the unit tips the scales at just 26.8 kilograms, a figure that underscores the bike's razor-sharp performance focus. Exhausted through a titanium Akrapovič slip-on silencer, the sound is as refined as it is vicious, all while meeting the current FIM 109 dB/A limit. But it doesn't stop at raw power. The bike also comes equipped with launch control and a quickshifter, allowing for clutchless upshifts from second to fifth gear and optimal traction off the line. Map selection and traction control give the rider the freedom to toggle between a smoother delivery and full-on aggression. Chassis VE suspension, race-ready hardware. The front end is bolstered by the WP XACT PRO 7548 fork, 48mm, and paired at the rear with the WP XACT PRO 8950 shock premium components tuned for serious motocross duties. The steel frame has also been refined with input from KTM's factory racing program, engine mount redesign, optimized wall thickness. Tracks are full of unpredictability, but with features like a forged steering head connection, CNC milled triple clamps, and a specially reinforced rear brake pedal, this bike deals with ruts and landings like it's born for it. Ergonomics, graphics VE style. The visual statement here is bold, deep KTM orange bodywork accented with striking blue elements, inspired by the Red Bull KTM factory racing team. Durable in-mold graphics ensure the look stays fresh through dust, mud, and throttle abuse. Ergonomically, riders will appreciate the retuned rider triangle, upgraded tank shrouds that channel air efficiently, and a tighter fit that reduces frame scrubbing when standing on the pegs. Track serviceability VE tech. Fast may be the name of the game, but smart is how you stay fast. The air filter box features toolless removal via the left side panel, making trackside maintenance quicker and easier. New radiator closure mechanisms improve accessibility too. Also included is the Connectivity Unit Offroad (CUO), which pairs with the KTMconnect app to deliver analytics, tune suspension settings, and tweak engine behavior, real-time data turning into real-world advantage. Tires VE traction. Sticking to the dirt is the name of the game, and the Dunlop GEOMAX MX34 rubber fitted as standard is built for exactly that. For racers, serious amateurs, or anyone seeking the purest form of off-road intensity, the 2026 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition represents one of the most compelling ready-to-race packages you can buy. Its blend of premium suspension, race engine DNA, smart connectivity, and unmistakable style make it more than just a motocross bike, it's a weapon designed to win. If you're lining up for the next gate drop and want zero compromise, this is your machine.